Can you bring a lawsuit for wrongful death if an autopsy is not done? You want to know the answer? Come join me as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. It's a gorgeous day today here in Great Neck. It's beautiful, it's crisp, it's the fall, and I want to share this great information with you for a few moments. So now, someone in your family dies, and you believe it's because of someone else's carelessness, whether it's because of a traumatic car accident, or whether it's because you believe a doctor was careless and caused their death. So now, many people want to know, what was the cause of death? Why did they die? The only true way to know the answer to that question is to do an autopsy. And in case you're not familiar, an autopsy is a clinical examination of the person who died to try and evaluate what was the precise cause of death. That's typically done by the medical examiner, who is a doctor known as a pathologist. So now, there are some religions that prohibit and prevent people from having autopsies. In that instance, how do you know what the cause of death is? Well, the reality is, in all likelihood, you won't know the precise cause of death. People come into my office with their death certificate believing that that shows them what the cause of death was. It says cause of death, cardiac arrest. Well, guess what? All that means is that the person's heart stopped. That's all. It doesn't tell you why it stopped. Now, I have to share something very important with you. Getting an autopsy can yield a double-edged sword. Now, what do I mean by that? I mean, it may show that your loved one died from things that are unrelated to any carelessness. So now, what do you do then? Well, in that instance, you're going to have a very challenging time to bring a lawsuit for wrongful death, claiming that because of somebody else's carelessness, they now died. On the other hand, an autopsy may reveal not only that someone was careless, but maybe there was some other contributing factor, such as cancer, that nobody detected, and this person's life expectancy was going to be very short, but that contributed to their untimely death. So an autopsy can be very useful to determine the precise cause of death. So now let's go back and answer the original question I asked earlier. Can you bring a wrongful death lawsuit if an autopsy was not done? The answer is yes, you can. Is it going to be more challenging? Yes, it will. But yet it's still possible to go ahead, bring a lawsuit for wrongful death without having an autopsy done. So why do I share this great information with you today? I share it with you to give you an insight and an understanding into how these precise types of cases work here in the state of New York. You know, I realize you're watching this because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in the state of New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.